Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to breaking news. Wipro HR head on freshers onboarding delay. Okay, it is the latest update from the Wipro team. Chief Human Resource Officer HR Saurabh Govil sir said that the company would honor each and every offer made but was unable to give a date for the same. Okay. So what about the waiting period for freshers who are yet to be onboarded? What about the elite phase 1, phase 2 or turbo joining? In this video, we will discuss about all the important points. These all videos are for all of you and we are sharing the latest update with all of you. Like and share the video with your friend, as well as if you have any doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Okay. So this news is on the Money Control website. You can check official news on the Money Control. Okay. So basically there is one tweet that from that is related like unfortunate that we are being targeted, have been transparent and fair. Okay. So Wipro HR head on freshers onboarding delay. So what they just mentioned in the news. Okay. So basically like they mentioned that they will honor each and every offer but was unable to give a date for the same because the situation is tough, and as we all know about that, अगर वहां पर मतलब अगर वो ऑन बोर्डिंग भी कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, अगर वो आपको ऑन बोर्डिंग भी दे देंगे तो फिर जो है नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस क्या होगी, क्योंकि अभी प्रोजेक्ट्स की ही डिमांड नहीं है, या फिर आप बोल सकते हैं देयर इज नो रिक्वायरमेंट, दैट्स व्हाई. ओके. So basically, they just mentioned that Wipro fourth quarter has been rife with controversies regarding the recruitment of freshers. First, when the company gave fresher the option to taking a pay cut in order to onboard early, and later when freshers were terminated on failing internal performance assessment. Okay. So during this period, Wipro has also seen the exit of India head Satya Integrated Digital Engineering and Application Services. Okay. So Wipro Chief Human Resource Officer CHRO Saurabh Govil spoke to Money Control about the company hiring plans, top level exist, generative AI and the freshers controversy and more. The interview has been edited for the length and clarity. So you can also check all the information on the Money Control that is related to hiring or related. But we have to talk about the main point about the onboarding. Okay. So telling freshers to take a pay cut from 6.5 lakh to 3.5 lakh if they wanted to onboard early is pretty. What was the rationale behind this move? Okay. So they mentioned that we hired people from campuses at 3.5 lakh with everyone hired at the same salary. Then company we said that we will invest in these people at our cost. We trained them into becoming full stack engineer. We had said that we will onboard at a salary of 6.5 after they completed the training and cleared the assessment. So this is the most important point. They just mentioned that if if you completed the training and cleared the assessment, so they will be onboard you for the 6.5 lakh. Okay. We onboard the first batch of velocity candidates and we realized that we did not have a requirement at this point of such resources. Means there is no requirement after the first batch of velocity, like after onboarding the first batch of velocity candidates, there is a no requirement. However, we were onboarding people at the lower band, so we gave them a choice in all transparency. Their old option was still valid and could wait to be onboarded, or there was another option they could join at a lower band. देखिए सबसे बड़ी बात है कि यहाँ पर आपने 3.5 से स्टार्ट किया. ओके. आई एम गिविंग यू वन सजेशन, फोकस ऑन योर स्किल सेट. और आपको जो यहाँ पर प्रोजेक्ट्स मिल रहे हैं, आप कंपनी में काम कीजिए, 1 से 2 साल का आप अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस ले लीजिए, अपनी स्किल सेट अच्छी कर लीजिए, उसके बाद फिर आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शन आ जाते हैं. ओके. दे ऑल्सो मेंशन दैट 92% ऑफ द कैंडिडेट चूज टू ज्वाइन द लोअर बैंड बिकॉज दे वर रेयरिंग to go. They are handful of those we have chosen to wait. When they are onboarded, they will onboarded at 6.5 lakh. We have been most transparent and fair. We have not cut anybody's salary, but unfortunately that's how it got picked up. So basically उनके कहने का ये मतलब है कि आपके पास तो दोनों ऑप्शन थे. ओके. We have two option, like first option, second option, that we have to still wait for the turbo and we can join for the 3.5 LPA. ओके. सो बेसिकली फिर आपकी स्किल सेट बेसिस पे और आगे चीजों के बेसिस पे आपका पैकेज बढ़ सकता है. सो दैट इज अ पॉइंट फ्रॉम द विप्रो एचआर टीम. ओके. basically assessment have been happening for year. People are away from actual work from the time they graduate to when they onboard. It helps to get them trained and again making an investment in them. I don't know why it becoming an issue. अब सबसे बड़ी बात है कि देखिए सिचुएशन खराब है, हम समझ सकते हैं कि हाँ सारी चीजें हो गई है, अब आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि कैसे आप डिफरेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो वी आर पोस्टिंग डिफरेंट वॉक इन ड्राइव वीडियोस फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, वॉक इन ड्राइव जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी यू कैन चेक. ओके, सो अब मैं आपको बता दूं कि व्हाट्स द वेटिंग पीरियड फॉर फ्रेशर्स हु आर येट टू बी ऑनबोर्डेड. ओके, सो बेसिकली दिस इज रिलेटेड टू इलाइट ऑल्सो, दिस इज रिलेटेड टू इलाइट. So given the market scenario right now, I don't have a particular date for this. We are doing it in a phased manner and we will honor every commitment. I was reading somewhere that 58% of freshers who have been not onboarded yet. It is unfortunate that we have been targeted because it is happening all across and we are being most honest and fair. In fact, we are the only one to invest 30,000 in training each candidate before they even became our employees. उन्होंने ये कहा कि वो यहाँ पर 30,000 रुपीज जो है वो ट्रेनिंग में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं ईच कैंडिडेट के लिए जब तक कि आप एम्प्लॉय नहीं बन जाते हैं. तो देखिए मैं आप सभी को एक चीज आपको बता दूं, चाहे कोई भी कुछ भी बोले कि मतलब ऑनबोर्डिंग नहीं आने वाली, ये नहीं होने वाला है, हमें भी पता है कि ऑनबोर्डिंग एक दिन में तो नहीं आएगी. सिचुएशन तो खराब है, अभी सिचुएशन ऐसी हो गई है. अब हम ये करेंगे कि अरे ये हो गया, इस बात को लेके बैठे रहेंगे. मान लीजिए कि अगर 4 महीने बाद डिमांड सही, तो क्या 4 महीने तक आप लोग क्या वेट करते रहेंगे? अगर अभी टाइम है कि आप बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अगर आपको लगता है, आप ऐसी जॉब्स देखिए, आप ऐसी स्किल सेट देखिए जिसमें आपको ऐसा लगता है बॉन्ड नहीं हो, आपको विप्रो ज्वाइन करना है, फिर आप विप्रो ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा. बट आप इस चीज को सोचिए मत ज्यादा, क्योंकि ज्यादा इसको सोचेंगे तो कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है, क्योंकि जैसे जैसे डिमांड्स आएगी वैसे वैसे ही ऑन बोर्डिंग होगी. आई होप दिस वीडियो इज यूजफुल फॉर एवरीवन. लेट मी नो दैट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियोस.